If you were looking for a reliable hosting or coupon code that actually works in 2026, I have a straightforward solution for you. Most of the promo codes floating around the internet are outdated, but you can guarantee your savings by using the direct link in my description. Here is how the process works. By clicking my link, you land on the official hosting or pricing page. Choose the plan that fits your needs, whether it's for a personal blog or a business site. The key step happens at checkout. Often, an additional discount, sometimes up to 20%, is applied to your cart, giving you the best possible rate without needing to hunt for a code. Hostinger is an excellent choice because it balances ease of use with performance. It is ideal for beginners thanks to the one-click WordPress installer, yet powerful enough to ensure fast loading times. You also get essential features like SSL security and automatic backups included. Plus, select plans come with a free domain for the first year. For most users, the premium plan offers the optimal balance of features and price, and with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it completely risk-free. To secure the best hosting discount available right now, simply use the link in the description, select your plan, and proceed to checkout to see the final savings applied.